about it to us? They will come, they will go, make us special. Oh.